Hey my family, what's going down? I'm going to show you how to get Citra Emulator for iOS and Android. So this will allow you to play all the 3DS games for free. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we got all the games here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download. So if I press play, as you can see, it is now beginning to put the game into action. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get the Citra. To download it is actually really easy. You just want to go to tweakmod.com. So once you're in this website, guys, just type like Citra and you're going to see it right here. So just press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official store, and then you're going to get the Citra emulator onto your device. So I'm just going to wait for this to download here, as you can see. So let's just let it download, as you can see. All right, so yeah, it's super cool, guys. So this fully works. So I'm just gonna wait for it to download. So let's see if it works or not. So as you can see, we got Apple and Android logos right there. So at the end, it's just gonna say like missing files. So I just have to download like some of these apps. So yeah, just do a couple of these. We got like Travel Town, Family Island, so it's like reach level 11 or whatever. So just make sure you do a couple of these and you're gonna be good to go. Reco Social, So yeah, peace out, guys. That's how to get the Citra emulator for your device. So this is super cool, guys. You got all the games, so it's pretty crazy. I mean, I love 3DS games as much as the next guy, but paying for them and all that, and even finding them at this point in time is getting a little tricky. So this is way better than that. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Citra emulator. But yes, it's super cool, guys. So it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and peace out.